All right, my friends, welcome to today's video. So on today's video, guys, we are going to be talking about the Kite AI airdrop, how you can be able to participate on their testnet, and also one of the most important things that you need to do in order for you to participate, not just participating, but qualify to receive their airdrop. So the whole process is going to be broken down on this video, and I'm going to also be telling you the reason why you need to participate on this airdrop and also the reason why I'm personally participating on it. So looking over here right now, you can see I am currently on my CoinGecko right here, and when you look closely, you can see that this is Avalanche price right here. So Avalanche is actually a blockchain of its own, and they are currently the #1 backers of this project that we are about to participate on their airdrop right here on this video. You guys know that testnet airdrop has been paying up massively recently. For example, Bera Chain just paid up a lot of money to their testnet users and also their Binance interactors. And right here, guys, this is another opportunity for you to actually earn a minimum of $500 from the Kite AI airdrop, which we are going to be talking about how to participate on it right here on this video. So without talking much, let me take you to the X account and show you guys something. So over here, guys, this is obviously the Avalanche blockchain X account. And you can see Avalanche blockchain actually said the first AI focused layer 1, pay attention to that word, layer 1 comes to Avalanche, designed for decentralized AI development. You can see Go Kite supports transparent collaboration across data, models, and agents. The latest Avalanche layer 1 is set to redefine how developers and institutions engage with blockchain-based AI. And right now, guys, this is just to tell you that they are backing this project for real. So when I go right now to the Kite AI Twitter account, you can see this is how it literally looks like. And over here, they are being followed by Avalanche itself, and this is where they actually made the announcement officially about their testnet, saying that Kite AI incentivized testnet version 1 error is live. This post was actually made just 1 day ago. That's why on this channel I bring to you guys more updates about how you can be able to position very well to earn money without allowing you to miss out on any important update that's going to be helping you put something really reasonable on your wallet or pocket. So right now, guys, let's talk about how we can be able to participate on the airdrop properly. So the first thing you need to do right now is simply go to your Mrs. browser. Okay, so over here, guys, this is my Mrs. browser right here. I will go to the home page, and over here, guys, on my Mrs. browser, this Mrs. browser is actually a special browser that I personally use because it is very easy to navigate on, and it also provides you with a very good view of all you have been trying to do. And it's the extension, how extension works on it is totally exceptional from every other browser that I've personally known. So the first thing you need to do is simply go below the video you're watching right now, copy the link to this airdrop from the video description box. You come over here to this search bar. Then you go ahead and paste it right there. After pasting the link, then you go ahead and of course search for the website. Now right now, guys, you can see this is where we are right now, and this is how their website actually looks like. The first thing that you are going to be required to press right here is simply click on get started. And once you click on get started, it's going to be requiring you to connect your wallet, especially metamask. I prefer metamask because I have already added metamask to my browser extension. But if you have metamask wallet app on your phone, you can go ahead and use wallet connect to connect to your metamask mobile application. Okay, so right, guys, I will click on connect with metamask in order to interact with my already added extension metamask on my browser. So you can see my metamask just popped up right now from my browser. So what I need to do is simply scroll up and of course click on connect, and immediately your wallet is connected. This is the first message that's going to be popping up telling you that you have earned 100 XP points for connecting your wallet. So right now you click on continue from here, and over here, guys, the next thing is for you to actually connect your Twitter account and of course your Discord. Right now we are done with this. So what I need to do from here is simply click on skip, and over here, guys, you can see when interacting with KiteAI, make sure to connect the same wallet you have just linked. Take note of this. So right now you click on got it, continue, and over here right now what you need to do is very simple. What you need to do is simply scroll down, and you can see this is your rank, this is your total points, and of course this is your referral accounts. So what you need to do from here is simply make sure you join the Telegram, join the Discord in order to earn your points right there. But the most important one right here is for you to interact with the AI and of course earn reward. Now, how do you earn this reward? If you want to be earning this reward, you go ahead and take all these basic tutorial they are trying to give you right here. Then you scroll down again until you see your interaction status. You can see track your AI. Okay, track your agent interaction, and of course, depending on the type of agent you are, that's what determines the number of points you are going to be getting right here, and also your total agent XP. So over here, you are supposed to be getting 200 points every day from the agent. And right now, how do you get it? That's the question. So the question right now is for you to scroll down. You can see meet Professor, your AI partner for navigating the kite atmosphere. So what you need to do from here is very simple. The more you interact with all these people right here, that is this AI, the more that you actually earn. For example, right now when I scroll down, you can see this is you get 10 XP, that is 10 points for every agent action. So to interact with the agent, let's click on interact right now. Let's see what we're gonna have right here. So right now, guys, you can see we are required to connect our wallet first. Okay, you need to connect your wallet. You scroll down a little bit, then you click on connect. Your wallet will be connected immediately. This is in order for it to track your interaction. So looking over here right now, you can see this is where your interaction is showing. That is how much you have actually interacted. So right now, guys, you go ahead and of course look over here. You have all your agents right here: Professor, Crypto Body, Sherlock, and I think 3 of them. So right now, guys, every action matters right here. So first of all, we start by what is Kite AI. So when you type it right here, the AI is going to respond to you immediately, and that is how you simply earn more points over and over. Remember, the more that you interact with the AI, the more that you actually earn point. Okay, so you can see the AI has actually given us a response right here, and of course anything that you do right here literally matters. Okay, right now I believe you have been able to understand how you can be able to go around the Kite AI airdrop and be able to position yourself very well. Remember, more updates concerning this airdrop is going to be shared on our Telegram channel and also on our YouTube channel, so make sure you are following us back to back so they don't get to miss out on any important thing that you actually need to do. Okay, so right now, guys, if you look over, you can see recording usage on chain. This means that all you are doing here is currently being recorded always. Okay, you can go ahead to type another message that you want, anything you want, just ask the AI, interact, and earn more points. So that is how simple it is for you to earn from the Kite AI airdrop. If you have any question, let me have it on the comment section and I will be answering you immediately. Most importantly, do well to join our toon giveaway. The details on joining the toon giveaway is going to be on the video description as well. Thank you for watching. I believe you liked the video. Thank you, and I'll talk to you guys on the next video. Peace out.